Just a short 7 day update for you. Basically, I now have been able to get for the grand sum of $35, 191 likes in total over the last 7 days. So when I go to take a look in my Facebook ads, you can be able to see that I've been able to grow that steadily over the last week. So I believe the ad stopped running last night. So correction there, it's been running for 6 days now, and it ends tomorrow, and it's averaged out at 16 cents per like, and I'm okay with that. When it finishes tomorrow, I don't envisage myself running the ads for a while. I'm simply going to see what happens organically over the next week, make sure the stuff's going into queue. I'm also going to start working on content that I can curate that takes me a minimum amount of time each day to build up me on camera. So like you're seeing here, I plan to be on camera recording a recorded video talking about probably the one or two articles that I've been chosen through the queue system. People that are going to the Facebook page don't need to know that it was chosen by Q, but it's Q hand picks it. So I've always been very impressed and trust their content. I always like to check the article very quickly to see if it's any good, but overall 99.999, almost 100%. I've never had one bad thing about Q. The quality, it's hand picked by somebody, is superb. So yeah, that's the next step.